Greetings, thanks for joining me. I'm going to share with you my awesome buttercream frosting recipe. We're going to get started. Let's go. 2 cups of confectioner's sugar going in. Slightly more than 2 more cups going in. That's fine. Favorite food group, butter. 2 sticks going in. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. I use 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. I start with 1/4. Once it's all blended, I'm going to do a taste test and then I'll see how much more I want to add. But it's at least 1/4 teaspoon and max is 1/2 teaspoon. 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk. That was 2 tablespoons of milk. I am most likely going to need at least 1 more tablespoon, possibly 2. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I put my 2 sticks of butter out the night before. So last night, right before I went to bed, I took them out of the fridge so they could be room temperature this morning for me to make my buttercream frosting. Now it's time to start mixing. Slowly first, so the powdered sugar doesn't fly all over the place and cover me in powder. Fingers crossed. See? See what just happened? That's what I was trying to avoid. Look, it's as if it never happened. It's magic. That's why I always put slightly more powdered sugar than 4 cups to begin with, because every time I start blending, it goes poof. At least 1 more tablespoon of milk going in. You have to be very careful with how much milk you put in. So I'm going with 1 teaspoon more. Now I can increase the speed. Everything's mixed up. I personally like more sea salt. If you don't like yours to be too salty, you might be able to stop at 1/4 teaspoon. 1 level 1/4 teaspoon going in. Taste test. Done. 3 tablespoons of milk plus 1 extra teaspoon of milk. And I don't want my buttercream to be too runny, and we're going to be frosting sugar cookies, so this is the perfect consistency. It is done. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Buttercream frosting. The fact that it starts with the word butter, you know, it's one of my favorites. I hope you love it. Enjoy. Go make something wonderful, homemade, with your homemade buttercream frosting, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if everyone absolutely devoured your buttercream frosting. Thanks for joining me. Take care. See you next time. Bye.